Hey, I am Dan Zaitsev, the founder and CEO of Getsend, a collaboration payment platform for a digital business. Welcome to a series of lessons where we walk through our core features and explain more about how our product works. So today we're gonna talk about how freelancers, contractors and all digital creators can share files with clients and get paid online. First of all, let's share with you my screen. And this is our landing page, and since we are in a private beta phase, you have to request an access. First, click on the skip the waitlist button, simply chat with me, and I'm gonna provide you an access. The next step is to select your role. I'm gonna select a freelance role because I want to send work and files to my customer. I click here and I have here a drag and drop form. I will simply place that file that I previously created. Let's assume I am a copywriter that finishes some work for my client. So my file has been successfully uploaded. I have to click continue, check the name of file and add the price that I would like to receive. I want for that file $20. For now we support, for private beta phase, we support only cryptocurrency payment and payout method. We already support more than 10 cryptocurrencies such as stable coins like USDC, USDT and so on, and also cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and so on. In the next 2 or 3 weeks we're gonna add the ability to pay by debit credit cards and receive payouts to bank accounts as well. So I'm gonna go with cryptocurrency for now, click continue. This is the link to my file. You can copy it, by the way. And if you know email of your client, you can simply add that email here. I'll go with something random like getsendtest102@gmail.com. So click send and your client will automatically receive the link to that offer via email and so on. Moreover, you'll have the ability, to share that link and offer invitation via messengers such as WhatsApp, Telegram or Viber, but I'll skip it for now. And this is a dashboard of freelancer. Here freelancers are able to discover different information about their offers and files. For example, here you can see the file that I previously sent. And you can see that the price, time when that offer will be expired, and the pending status. Currently, payment status is a pending mode. So remember that link that I previously copied. You can also send that link to your customer using any preferred method. And when your customer will open that link from an email or any messenger that you prefer to use, they will reach that landing page. And in the next lessons, we're gonna explain how your clients can pay and download that file. Thank you so much for watching. Don't miss out our new videos by subscribing to our YouTube channel and social media networks. Have a great day ahead. Bye.